new one right here. I've had this before. It's actually not bad. I like this one and the Poland one. I forgot the name. Well, I know it's Polish. And I miss the cherry Grey Goose. Cherry Grey Goose was very, very good. They don't make it anymore. I don't know why, but this is not bad at all. So, oof. You heard that? Cheers. It's gonna be a lot of snow and rain. I think it's gonna be like 15 inches of snow, possibly. Ugh. Yep. Just as I remember. Very good vodka right here. There you go. Thanks for watching, and y'all be safe out there.